So in this lecture, we are going to learn how to design the logo for our business. I'm going to show you the free ways to design the logo. But if you want to be a little bit more professional, I wouldn't say professional because the logo which I'm going to show you how to design it, it's going to be the professional logo as well. But if you feel like spending some money, you are feeling lazy, obviously you can go on Fiverr. Let me show you on Fiverr right here. And there are many freelancers. They take little as, I would say, 3, 4, 5 pounds and they can design a professional logo for you. Just search logo on a Fiverr and you're going to come across many people. Like for example, this one can do it for £6. There are many people who charge obviously a bit higher price as well, but you can always select the budget right here. And I'm going to say custom up to, I'm going to do £5 right here. And we're going to apply that one. And then you will be able to find many people. For example, this one only £4, £4, £4. There are many people who are offering this service to you. So they can design the professional logo for you, but obviously this is something which is not really complicated. You can do this by yourself. So I'm going to show you two different methods. So first one is simply ask ChatGPT. So I went inside the ChatGPT, even though I have a paid version for it, but there is something that you can do in a free plan as well, right? Obviously, there is going to be some limitation how many images you will be able to generate in one day. But let's say the limit is you can generate 5 different images. Then you can try again tomorrow and eventually you're going to come across the logo that you like. So the prompt which I have given inside the ChatGPT is my business name is put your business name, design the logos for me. I put 2 logos. So ChatGPT have given me 2 different logos right here. I can just pick the one I like. The ChatGPT can design the logo for you. So other option that you can have is you can design the logo by yourself in a Canva. So inside the Canva, you don't need to have a paid version for a Canva. You can do this in a free version as well. So what we're going to do inside the ChatGPT, inside the Canva, I'm going to type logo. And inside the logo, we're going to say logo design. And this one have given me many templates that I can customize and I can change the colors, I can change the text. I'm going to pick one and I'm going to obviously show you how we can do it. But the thing that you need to keep in mind, any template which have this crown sign on it and says pro on it, this is something that's going to charge you. So you don't pick this template, only pick the one doesn't have a crown sign on it. So for example, I want to design, I'm going to click on create and I'm going to click on logo. So logo right here, it have opened another page for me. And then what I'm going to do online shopping. That's the category I'm going to pick. Obviously, it's going to give me the templates which are similar to something, you know, online selling, that sort of stuff. So let's say I like, there are many like, I would say hundreds of different templates that you can pick. So let's say I like this particular template right here. So I can bring this template right here and then I can change the name. So let's say I do UK stock meat. And if I want to change the colors here, obviously I can change the color to, you know, I can be creative about it. I can play with the different templates. Eventually you're going to come across a logo that you like. And then at the end, just simply click on share right here and click on download, and then you will be able to download this logo. You can upload this logo into your online shops. So for example, you're selling on eBay, you're selling on Amazon, you're selling on TikTok shop, you know, anywhere you like. So keep it simple. Don't spend a lot of time on it because it's something that you can always change. It's something once you're starting a business, you just want to have something there which give you a professional image. But it's something that you can change over the period of time. It's not really a big deal. Have Fiverr get the logo for you, or you can have ChatGPT or design your own logo using Canva.